Good morning to all of the followers and whoever is watching this now. But God gave me another vision last night, and they're getting extremely my choice of words are gonna be all over because I'm just still kind of in awe, excited, nervous, and just all at the same time because Jesus is so close. And God, I'm very thankful that He keeps showing me these end time signs, dreams, just every single thing. But I was in this building, and what was going on? This is just like another part or page of how short the time is, how distracted the people are, how they don't care, how they're in their own worlds, how they're basically not paying attention to the times and the signs, with all prophecy being fulfilled around the world, period, clear as day. You can feel it, hear it, see it, smell it. And the Lord tells us when we see these things, hear these things, feel these things, you are to stop in your tracks, literally what you're doing in your life, in your soul.